Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri Katnat Puli Puthi ka Sarkar Jilla. Haka karar tarik ukalalingkot arja penriau ula patha yaki upsar jong katnan bakin Phah Ktien ka Pro Vice Chancellor ka Nehu Tura campus banwat yekilat kilenti ki baka skol ba Nehu kalai kandu jing e nakadaw ka jing pep Trei u Vice Chancellor u Prof Shukla la sauspa arpu Sngi. Kani ka jing patha jong Myntri ka long hadien ka jing kandu yaki kenhon ka skol ba Nehu ba kenthop ya ka kenhon ki noi kai ka kenhon ki nong Trei ka kenhon ki samla puli ban na ka KSU ki bala karpa dia u ban tuklar lam halor kene.
4 organization from Nehu, they come and meet me to apprise me about the situation in Nehu. The association from Meta, from Nehunsa, from Nehuta, and the KSU Nehu unit. They come, as you know that for the past more than 400 days, there is no Vice Chancellor in the campus of Nehu. The Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Shukla, he have been out of station, as I said, for more than 400 days. So the Nehu decision in Nehu have become paralysis. More so because of the resignation of the Pro Vice Chancellor of Nehu. So this thing has become quite difficult for the Nehu to run. Our priority is that whatever may be the thing, that the universities should function and should not affect the student community in Nehu. But as of now, we learn that without even the Pro VC in Shillong campus, it is very difficult for declaration of result, for payment of wages, for sanctioning of different seminar and all, or for the, more importantly, for the declaration of result and other program of Nehu. So they come to apprise me, and as you know also, there is one Pro VC in Tura campus. As per the statute in Nehu, that whenever there is no VC, the Pro Vice Chancellor of will take over. But they inform me that the Pro VC of Tura is not willing to come over to Shillong. So we have to find the solution. And I have informed my officers to arrange the meeting with the Pro Vice Chancellor of Tura to see what is her view, so that the government main intention is that the program, the student community should not be at all affected in Nehu. Because if it is affected in Nehu, that means it affects all over the state, because many of the colleges are affiliated to Nehu. Even the scholarship of student also, it will be affected. And as you know, as of now, there is no registrar, it's totally, so to say, I myself, I don't know who run the Nehu and how they could run the Nehu. I have written to the Honorable Union Minister on the 15th of December. I have tried to meet him. I will try again to have a meeting with him, that a permanent solution could be arrived so that the functioning of Nehu, the premier university in India, could be the academic business, and that running should be smooth. But for the present, we have to find a solution within the statute of Nehu. How, when there is no VC, the pro VC will be as acting VC, but when the pro VC is not willing to come to Shillong, so how to find the solution? So I have told my officers to contact the pro VC and have the formal dialogue, the formal consultation, how this issue could be resolved temporarily, and let the ministry, as and when the ministry able to find the replacement, they may post brief. But we cannot wait for the day-to-day affairs of Nehu. As I said, that it affects the student community, not only of Nehu but all the affiliated colleges. If the result could not be declared on time, if or the program of Nehu, and as you know now, the government of India or Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he really want to take the education into a new height. That's why a new education policy 2020 have been launched, and every day new circular from a different regulatory authority have been given to different state government, different university. But if there is no head, how to go with? So it is a central university. I find that it is incumbent upon me to see that this issue could be resolved immediately for the benefit of the student community. See, the ministry are very serious. That's why they have instituted an inquiry headed by Prof. Singh, and that inquiry they have submitted the report, but till date we don't know what is that in that report. And number two, that even without VC, within the statute of Nehu, the Nehu is guided by the statute, can always find the acting VC in absence of the regular VC. But this, as I said, if there is no VC, the pro VC will take over. But now the pro VC, as where they make me understand that is not willing to come to Shillong to take over as the acting. So what is the solution? The solution is that the Nehu statute don't have the power to appoint the acting authority. They have the power only if the present incumbent, who is not willing to come Shillong, resign from the post of VC as Professor Undar resigned, then only the senior most professor could take over from Nehu. So these are the things which within the Nehu itself, leave aside what the ministry. So we, the state government, Honorable Chief Minister, have tried to impress with the government of India that the permanent solution could be resolved. So we have to tackle two issues. One is the present context and one is the permanent solution. Could see it. As I said, I don't know who is running the Nehu. Now it is autopilot, so to say. So, but you know, without the person who will run, how the different program, how the academic calendar, and how everything could be settled, we need to arrive. The earlier is the best. As I said earlier, that the ministry has already instituted the inquiry, and the inquiry committee has already submitted its report. So as till now, we don't know what is the outcome of that report, because since they have not made it public. So I cannot comment on that. I will comment only if, as and when I have a one-to-one the meeting with the ministry, then only I could say how, why, and what is there.